Connect the power plug to the socket. Turn the switch on the lower left of the SP20. Warm up for 30 minutes. The switch of SP880 is on the left rear. Confirmed in transmittance. Adjust the adjustment knob on the upper right to the desired wavelength. Turn the lower left control knob to 0.0% T. Open the sample tank cover and put in the colorimetric tube filled with distilled water. Align the white line above the colorimetric tube. Cover the sample tank. Adjust the lower right control button to 100.0% T. Take out the colorimetric tube and repeat the calibration at least 3 times. Confirmed in transmittance. Press lambda to enter the desired wavelength. Press enter. Open the sample tank cover and put in the colorimetric tube filled with distilled water. Align the white line above the colorimetric tube. Cover the sample tank. Press blank to correct. Repeat more than 3 times. The drug required for this experiment are iron, 2, ammonium sulfate, sulfuric acid, sodium citrate, hydroxylamine hydrochloride, 1, 10-phenanthroline. Add some distilled water to the 50 ml quantitative bottle. Take 1.65 ml concentrated sulfuric acid and add it to the quantitative bottle. Add distilled water to the mark. Weigh 0.3000 grams of iron, 2, ammonium sulfate. Add 20 milliliters of 1N sulfuric acid. After stirring with a glass rod until dissolved, pour it into a 500 milliliters quantitative bottle. Rinse the beaker several times with distilled water. Add distilled water to the mark. Take 2 grams of hydroxylamine hydrochloride. Dissolved in 10 milliliters distilled water. Add a small amount of sodium citrate to pH equals 4.5. Add distilled water to 20 milliliters. Take 0.34 grams of phenanthroline, dissolved in 100 milliliters of hot water. Wet beaker with iron standard solution. Take 2 milliliters iron standard solution and add it to the beaker. Take 5 grams of sodium citrate. dissolved in 100 milliliters distilled water. Add the sodium citrate solution dropwise to the beaker. Adjust the pH of the solution to around 3.5. Record the required volume. Prepare 7 100 milliliters quantitative bottles and label them with numbers 1 to 7. Add 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 milliliters iron standard solution to each. Add 1 milliliter reducing agent to each bottle. A ml sodium citrate solution. Two milliliters of phenanthrene solution. Add distilled water to the mark. After mixing evenly, let stand for 20 minutes to develop color.